Good morning, Ryder. Hello. Let's see. It's October. Maybe October. Yeah? Are you 4 months old? You barely fit in the basket anymore. Yeah, look at how big you are. I will show everybody how big you've gotten. You barely fit. Yeah. You're so sweet. Okay, let's show them how well you can reach for things. Both hands. There you go.